Hey guys, this is Candy coming back with another video for you guys. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, a special welcome to you. If you are a repeat watcher, welcome back. Anyway guys, so today we are doing, as the title suggests, another Yankee twist video. Yes, and you guys already know this is my all-time favorite crochet here. Yes, hands down. And the braid pattern that I'm using is the, famous versatile braid pattern that I always use for this style. And today is no different. I am going ahead and starting to do the braids in the front, going backwards. And as I progress, you guys will see how I, braid the sides and the back in such a way that the hair is able to be styled and pulled up in a ponytail with no issues and without it looking really tacky. All right, so her hair, as you can tell, is on the thinner side, and that was a little bit of a challenge. And so I'm super duper excited to show you guys the outcome of the style, even amidst that challenge in terms of the density and the fullness of her hair. And as you can see, I am braiding the sides now upward, and the parts are on the smaller side just because the hair that I'm working with, the Yankee twist, they are super small, and so you can't make your braids too far apart because it's not going to look nice and full. All right, so go ahead and add a piece of braiding here, especially if the hair is not very thick, but even if it is, I usually add braiding here to braid it up. So now I am done with all of the braiding of the perimeter of the head, and it's now time to transition to doing the middle, which I'm going to be doing in a beehive. Beehive simply means going around in circles, so you part of the first row in a circular direction or motion rather, and just continue to braid the hair. Now I'm actually connecting all of those initial braids that were made, and when I'm done with that row, part off a second row and keep doing the same thing, going all the way around until you get to the point where you're braiding and there is no more to braid. So as you can see, we are at the very end of that process, so I'm just making sure to braid, and as you see, we are going to be ending out with one tail. And once you are done, you just get your crochet tool, and the crochet tool is going to help you to disguise that tail so that it is no longer visible. So we are just tucking it underneath the braids. All right, so now once that is done, this is what the braid pattern looks like. And now it's time to introduce our hair, ladies and gentlemen, the star of the show, our Yankee twist. Yes, and the color of this particular wand is our caramel mix. Yes, so when you do go to the website, be sure to look for caramel mix. This is the medium length, which is 12 inches, and it's a beautiful ombre color, I tell you. And the fact that her hair is on the thinner side, this is a perfect hairstyle for her because it is absolutely weightless, and so it will not put any strain or any stress on her hair because of the fact of that the hair is light. All right, so we're just going ahead and installing pieces of the crochet here. I am literally knotting the hair only once, and this will help her to remove it easily by just holding the knot and slipping it out, as opposed to if I was to knot it twice or three times. In the middle part, I did start to go ahead and knot them twice because I just wanted to be sure that they're not going to slip out. So go ahead and do it twice, and you should be just as fine. But the hair is reusable, and so that is the reason why we're trying to find the easiest way so we can remove it. If you want to use my braid pattern take down, whereby you just take down the braids while the hair is still intact, I will try to link that video down below for you guys so that you can save the hair and save your coins at the same time. All right, so we're gonna still continue the process, still inserting, still installing, and I want to show you guys a special part in the video where I am going to highlight how you do an illusion knotless part. Now, because these are twists, you cannot do a regular knotless part. So now we're at the middle part, which is where she's going to be wearing the hair parted, and we're going to be showing you guys the illusion knotless part. So that was the first one. So now we're going to show you guys. So you insert the crochet tool on the inside of the part, attach the hair, close the hook, pull it through. Then once you pull the hair through and knot it twice, you are going to lean the hair over to the right and slide the knot all the way down while it is still leaned. Again, insert, attach, close, pull through, do your double knot through, and then twist and through again. Lean it over to the right and slide the knot down. What that does is it helps to create a little bit of height, and so the hair gets that volume and will give you that illusion that it is knotless. And the hair is so small anyway that even if you did not go through the stress of doing that, it would still not look tacky, because these pieces of hair, they are so small that it would still look nice even if you didn't do this method. But try this method. Make sure you insert the crochet tool on the right and then deal with the matter. All right, so guys, we are done, and this is how it looks. You can tell that, yeah, we're kind of having that knotless part vibe going, but the hair is beautiful as usual, never disappoints. Now, the bundle comes with 5 packages. No, the package comes with 5 bundles, and I only used 4 of the 5 bundles, and this is the fullness that she achieved. She did not want it super big, so this was intentional. If you do want a fuller look, go ahead and use all 5 packages. And if you even want more, they do sell single packages too, or single bundles, so you can get an additional bundle or 2 if you want it to be super big. But trust me, 5 packs is usually enough. Yeah, and so before she head out, here's a final look. Yes, loving it, loving it. What's not to love? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you on my next one. Bye.